Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy Hillboy Neil, and today we are making Mario Kart using ChatGPT and Gemini Pro. Let's get it, man. Mario Kart is a third-person racing game. We want to replicate it as much as possible. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna save images of the game, because this is gonna help ChatGPT and Gemini generate how the game should look. So that way it's not trying to go off in another lane. We'll copy and paste a couple of these images. We're gonna go ahead and upload it into ChatGPT as well. And you don't need to pay for like ChatGPT Plus or Gemini Plus. Trust me, y'all. You don't need to pay for none of that stuff. You just need to know the right prompts to put in there. Let's get it started. So you're gonna want to download Git Bash if you have Mac or Windows. I have Windows, so I just installed this. And you can just install it. So Git Bash is just simple terms, bro. It's just a platform that you use to like create files, delete files, show list of files, but I'll get into that later. And you're also gonna wanna download VS Code. So this is an AI code editor that I use. This is what we're gonna be writing our code in. Take notes. If you need to pause the video, create a GitHub account. This is how you're gonna like upload your projects, everything like that. It's all gonna go into GitHub, and GitHub has a thing called Copilot. Copilot is an agent, an AI agent that this is where we're gonna be putting the prompts in to make the video game. So this is Git Bash. I'm just gonna show you guys what you need to know. You don't need to know all the other stuff, all the other controls in Git Bash. This is all you need to know right now. CD, desktop. CD is literally just navigating to the desktop. You need to navigate to the desktop. If you were to just do no CD, then you're just looking at all the files on your PC, if that makes sense. We're gonna create a file. So in order to create a file, you're gonna want to type in mkdir. That's how we create the file. I'm not gonna go into what it means because it really doesn't matter. It's mkdir. Take a screenshot, whatever you want to do. We're gonna call the file, let's call it Mario Kart Let's call it Mario Kart GBT, and we'll press enter. And now you see it's still on desktop, so we're not even in this file that we created. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go CD Mario Kart GBT, and we're gonna press enter. Now we're in the file. So how do we pull up the file? Simple, gang, simple. You just do code space period enter. Boom. Simple. You know what I'm saying? It's simple. It's simple. And if you need to rewind the video, if you need me to talk slower, then it's some options on a YouTube video, you know what I'm saying, where you can slow this shit down, gang. But we gonna keep it going. Right here, you can see that we have that GitHub, that Copilot agent. So AI responses may be inaccurate. Nigga, who cares? So let's make the Mario Kart game. So how are we gonna do this? I need the perfect prompt to enter into, and if I spell shit wrong, I don't care, bruh. We not trying to get everything right. It's ChatGPT, it's gonna read it. I need the perfect prompt to enter into Copilot to make, nigga, I don't care about grammar, to make an advanced 3D Mario Kart game. Give me the full format and file structure. Boom. So let's see what ChatGPT produces for us, and we're gonna compare this to what Gemini can produce. So that's the point of the video. We're comparing ChatGPT and Gemini, and we're gonna see which one is better and which one is gonna replicate the game the best. Right now, it's giving us our folder structure. So this is gonna be important too. Assets, scripts, players, all this stuff I'll get into. Now you see ChatGPT is about to go into Unity, Unreal, and Godot. So those are like video game software engines. You know what I'm saying? Y'all are just starting off. So we gonna start off simple. Give me a prompt to put into Copilot for the game. So now it's gonna give us a prompt to put in a Copilot, and then you're gonna see from here that Copilot's gonna generate all this stuff for us. Just copy and paste all of this. And on Copilot, this is the model that I'm using. So use this model. It's called Claude Sonnet 4.5, however you want to pronounce it. I don't care. It sounds like some French shit. We're gonna go ahead and put the prompt in, and let's see. It's also good if you're still learning this to like just read what it's doing as it's going. Yeah, my nigga, I don't really got too much to say. Like, it's gonna do it for us. This is like playing Russian roulette. We don't know what ChatGPT is gonna do as far as with the prompts. Let's look at Mario Kart gameplay real quick. This is what we want it to be. You know what I'm saying? What we're gonna do now is tell the co-pilot to open the game up. And of course, I can't spell for. It's all good though, chat. I can't actually open Unity or run the game for you since I'm an AI. Nigga, what? Hold on, gang. We might be cooked. Bro, don't tell me I gotta download Unity, bro. This when ChatGPT start pissing me off, bro. I don't want to use Unity. I want to test it on my PC. What we're gonna do, chat, is we're gonna tell it to reverse everything for us. So I don't want to use Unity. I want to play it and test it on my PC. So change the project. No, adjust the project. Adjust the project so that I am able to do that. Boom. So let's see what Copilot is gonna give us, because I don't want to take too much time waiting on Unity to download. It'll probably take me a couple of hours. It is a big game engine. It says, would you like me to create a Python plus Pygame version that includes 3D style? Okay, yes. That's what we want. But it's gonna go ahead and make us a 3D Python version instead of 2D. 2D games are like Jetpack Joyride, things of that nature. We already have Python installed. All we have to do to run the game, if you don't have it installed, you just type in pip install pygame. What you want to enter in the terminal is python main.py. Let's see what we get though, chat. Oh shit, we're getting some errors. We done got some errors in here. Okay, it's all good. So anytime you get errors, and this is good because we don't want to be perfect all the time, bro. I want to show y'all the real deal stuff of this, just in case, because you might be new to this, watching this on YouTube, Twitch, and you're like, well, Neil, like, you made this shit look easy. Now I'm getting all these errors and stuff. What do? All you do, copy and paste the errors, enter it in the Copilot, and it's going to go ahead and rerun it to where, you know, we can figure out what's going on with this. So we're gonna have to see what's wrong with this and figure this out. Well, nigga, Copilot about to see what's wrong with this. I ain't gonna be doing all that. It went into the config, the UI. I think there were some issues with that. Boom. So we got the game up and running, chat. So let's see if it works though. Let's see if it works. So press enter to start. 2, 1. Oh, yo, where am I at though? Yo, press shift to boost. Yeah, it ain't boosting. We got the game to work. You can see we got the timer right here. We got the racers. We got a couple of NPCs moving. We're in 6th place right now. It's even tracking our speed and our lap time. Obviously, bruh, this is not what we wanted, but hey, bro, this is better than nothing. You know what I'm saying? So you guys can see how to start off on the game, and you can build up off of there. So yeah, this is ass. We're gonna head into Gemini. We're gonna go ahead and create Mario Kart. Obviously, this is the style of gameplay that we're looking to replicate. I'm creating Mario Kart using Copilot. If I don't spell it right, I really don't care. Using Copilot and Claude Sonnet 4.5 in VS Code. I need the perfect prompt in order to replicate this game along with the perspective, and styling. So keep that in mind. I don't want to use game engines. I want to be able to test and play this on my PC. I need the perfect full rundown prompt with file structuring and styling to make the game. Also, generate a Mario Kart gameplay image like this and make the game look like the image. Some of this shit gonna sound dumb, y'all, but I promise y'all, just speak how you speak. I'm gonna put this one in here. We're gonna start off with one image, keep it simple. We'll let it build up on there. You never wanna like blur it out too much into any agent except for Copilot, because it's gonna get confused. At the end of the day, AI is machine learning. So you need to teach it and give it a good perspective. But let's see, y'all. Let's see what we're gonna get. I'm gonna say, now give me the prompt to make the game. Analyze is a good word to use with any AI agent. Analyze what I ask you and make sure the prompt completes the task. So right here, it gave us a master prompt. So, and this is an important part, like, but let's go back into, obviously we're in the ChatGPT file. So we want to get out of that. In order to do that, CD space. And if you look at the left side of your keyboard, there should be a little accent mark. You're going to want to press shift and hit that accent mark, and you just press enter. That way you're now just in the PC itself. You're not on the desktop, but we want to get to the desktop because that's where we're creating our file. We're going to do CD desktop. Now we're going to create a new file. We're going to do mkdir. Let's call it Mario Kart Gemini. Let's go ahead and just open up the game and let's see what we get. Yo! All right, press any key to start. Let's go ahead. Yo, what? Hold on. Yo, chat. We really made the game though. Now it's definitely not the game, but it's the game. Look at our map though. We got the map right here. We got the placement right here. It's going in kilometers. But yo, WASD controls, you know what I'm saying? We're able to, are these power-ups, gang? Hold on, bro. These are power-ups. Do the power-ups work? The power-ups don't really work. This is way better than what ChatGPT created. I'm not capping y'all, bro. This is 10 times better, bro. Is there's lap 1 complete? I think this is our track. Now this track could use some work. I'm not gonna cap, but like I said, you can literally turn this into your own game from here, bro. It's just a couple of adjustments and that's it. It put some clouds up here too. Okay, we off the map like Fago. We getting off the map like so Fago. Let me turn back around, bro. We just need to add some audio effects and it's over with, gang. I might just add some Mario Kart music on a YouTube video or something when I edit it. But yeah, you guys, thank you for watching the video. That is how you make Mario Kart using ChatGPT and Gemini Pro using VS Code. You guys see the two different comparisons. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, do all that, you know, shit that, you know what I'm saying, you probably not gonna do. Also, drop down in the comment section below what tutorial you want me to do next, and I'm gonna do that for y'all.